Let's wait. Hindi pa ganong, ayan, ang ganda,
Pick this one, Mommy.
Ang ganda rin ng mga bunga niya. Maliliit lang siya, pero okay na yun.
Can I pick this one?
Yeah. Ito. This is tiny.
I found one over here.
Okay. Ayan. Tapos meron pa dito. Ito yung mga tanim namin sa paso. Ay, ito. Malaki din siya. That one is tiny. Okay, meron pa doon sa here, meron pa kaming tanim dito. Tumubo lang siya kasi I put a pot right here. Tapos nagtubuan lang sila. Dito anak, ayun, yung mga runners last year. Look. Okay, go around. Be careful, don't step on my lilies. Ayan. Maliliit lang sila pero ready na yan. Ayun pa.
I thought there was some strawberries.
Ang daming damo. Dapat
There's some strawberries.
tanggal ko iyan. Sandali anak.
None of them are red, but there's some right here. With flowers right here. And a green one right here.
Ayan, Ay, magaganda rin pala yan, no? Sana wag tayong maunahan ng ipon.
Did you plant the strawberries here?
Well, it's just the runner when I put a container right there. So those were just runners from last year.
Strawberries, Mom?
No, not really. Naghalo-halo na lang sila dyan. Ayan. May mga bunga pa dyan,
Can I eat all of the strawberries?
Hugasan mo muna. Can I try it too? Okay, tingnan natin. Ito yung aming harvest today.